Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel and thank you so much for being here. I have my Boxycharm. Based on the size of the box, I'm gonna go ahead and say it's my premium, so let's get in it and check it out. Boxycharm Premium is the middle box of the Boxycharm family. You get 2 choices with it each month, but when they give you your choices, when the choices go live, go right over and pick it. I missed a couple that will be in the May box because I was out all day and I didn't make my choice. It is $39.99. So in theory, I picked 2 of the products in here. I think I might have done a surprise me, so that should work out great. It's my choice. When there's nothing that I really care about, I do surprise me just to add a little excitement back to the box. When we open it up, whoop, this is what it looks like. Lots of brown paper, not complaining. We have our paperwork. And there's more under. Got all the brown paper. That's my box. Boxycharm Boxy Spring Revival. And that is what that looks like. And on the back of this, we have everything that's going to be in my box. I haven't done this in a while, let me tell you. My variation is C22, which is the year, 04, which is the month, 201-PM. Okay, I just took a quick look in the box, and in theory, I did a surprise me on one, but one of the other products, I should know that I picked, and I'll be honest, I don't remember which one I picked. So I will let you know below the item that I picked which one it was. Moving forward, reaching into the box, we have a Mitchell & Peach English Growers Body Oil in English Leaf. I am 100% behind that. I love that it's a body oil. I have had the Mitchell & Peach before. I got it through, I think, a FabFitFun sale. No, it was in a mystery bundle. And I got the hand cleanser and hand cream, I think, and it smelled delightful. So I am happy to have this. That is what that looks like. So it's just a nice body oil. I can totally use this. So let me tell you, it says Mitchell & Peach English Leaf Body Oil. This has a $68 value. I remember thinking, oh, when I got the other stuff too. It says blended with almond oil and vitamin E. This is decadent body oil, leaves the skin soft and scented. Like I said, it has a $68 value and they say it is a new brand to Boxy. Wow. You would think, oh, I'm gonna say something negative. You would think for $68, they could do something about that top. I mean, yeah, I didn't do anything wrong. I had to double check and make sure I didn't do anything wrong. It's just a hole. You're just gonna, I'm probably gonna, well, let's just go ahead and do it because I want to know what it smells like. So yeah, I just dipped it in my finger. It probably gave me enough for like maybe up one arm. Oh, it smells, they're right. It does smell very good. Wow. And just that one dip, like you saw me do, of my finger. Yeah, no, that might have done just like the back of my hand. So you're going to spend a lot of time. I wonder why they didn't give it a pump or something. All right, let's see how that absorbs. But it smells very nice. Very earthy, gardeny, but with a touch of, I'll call it floral, with a touch of floral. It smells like an English garden. I'm not saying that they named it right. I'm just saying it smells like an English garden. English leaf, actually, is what they say. I will tell you already before we even move on, my hand has almost completely absorbed it. All right, wow. So $68, if you love it, covers the cost of your box. My beauty brand, X by Me, Black Liquid Eyeliner. The only reason I keep doing that upside down. The only reason I made that is I just opened another box that had a black liner in it. So I'm going to say the same thing about this one as I did about that one. I'm going to pass this on to my daughter. She loves black liners and she loves trying all the new ones that I get. Oh, this is nice. It's got a nice tip on it. I try and be really aware, especially with this kind, that she can't sharpen and take anything off. You know, I don't worry about cross-contamination. I share makeup with anybody who would like to try anything that I have used. Super aware of like liners and mascaras. I really don't like to touch those if somebody else is going to use them. This is your new Holy Grail product, created for both the eyeliner expert and winged eye novice. This flexible felt tip, combined with highly pigmented, smudge-proof color, guarantees a long-lasting and intensely defined look. This is also a new brand to Boxy, and it has a $20 value. So far we are at $88. I probably won't be able to keep up that math. Next out, we have, what do we have? By Indota Cosmetics, Hydrating Lip Balm. All right, it is 15 grams. Let's see if the paperwork tells us anything special about this lip balm. It is the one down here with the most words. Has a $25 value, and it is also a new brand to Boxy. Protect your pout with this natural organic lip balm that's packed with super hydrating ingredients. With a gorgeous glossy finish, this hydrating lip balm will soothe cracked and chapped lips. With a gorgeous glossy finish, this hydrating lip balm will soothe cracked or chapped lips and protect skin from dryness. Cocoa butter, calendula, and vitamin E assist in visibly reviving delicate lips to keep them looking healthy and feeling luscious, while cooling peppermint oil, I love it when lips have peppermint oil in them, provides a hint of freshness. This versatile balm can be used to help restore moisture in the cuticles and other areas that regularly experience dryness. $25 if I didn't say that. I think I did. It's hard to get out. I am really squeezing hard. And I am telling you, it is warm in this room. I cannot, am I doing something wrong? I cannot imagine trying to use this in the winter. It's just a big hole. This should be, it should be coming out of there. And I'm squeezing so hard that I'm afraid for my ceilings. Okay. She might have overreacted just a little bit. That is how much finally came out. But you guys saw how hard I had to work for that, right? Does this come out easy now? Yes, it appears that it's going to come out easy now. Like I said, it's probably, I'm hot, 75 in this room I'm in today. Oh, it's a nice thick, and as I keep rubbing it, it went from that balm you saw into a nice pile of oil. I hope that comes across. Oh, very minty and nice. I like that a lot. I would not put the, well, I don't think I'd put that on my cuticles. I touch my face too much, and I think I would be afraid of getting peppermint oil in my eyes, so I don't think I would put this on my cuticles. My 2 cents worth. Yeah, very nice. Okay, I think this 25 added to this takes us to 113, if my math is right. Next out, and what I think the most likely item I chose if I had the choice is the Dr. Brandt Eye Cream, Wrinkles, Dark Circles, and Puffiness, and it's half an ounce, 15 grams. I have used the Dr. Brandt DNA eye cream for, I mean, I've gone through probably 2 of these. Right now I'm using the City Beauty one and really liking that. So I will put this in the back though, because I have had really good luck with Dr. Brandt before, and I might want to use this again. This says it is a new launch. I'm thinking maybe from Dr. Brandt, because like I said, the eye cream that I have from Dr. Brandt is a DNA eye cream, so this might be new from him. An eye cream that smooths the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles, moisturizes the eye area, fades the appearance of dark circles, and reduces the look of puffiness. And it has an $82 value. I'm gonna go ahead and open this and show you guys a little bit about what it looks like. It's just an open tube. Oddly enough, $82, not sealed. Put it on the outside of my hand over here where we did not have that balm. Little white dot. And like I said, I've had really good luck in the past with Dr. Brandt eye products, so if that was one of my choices, I feel likely it's the choice I made. Very little scent, just kind of lotiony. Maybe a little earthy. Did I put the, no, I didn't put the earthy thing on this hand. Interesting. Okay, well, like I said, I've had good enough luck in the past with Dr. Brandt eye products that I will probably set that aside for when I'm not trying the City Beauty products. Okay, next out, I have an Herbivore Boxycharm Retinol Alternative Smoothing Serum. That is what that looks like. So we know right away going into this that I'm going to pass this along, because the retinol and retinol alternatives, look how beautiful that is. Isn't that just gorgeous? They're all problematic for my sensitive skin, but most people love them. And the Herbivore line is gorgeous. I have used so many of their products. They have several Rose products that I just love. This is a $54 value, and it says a naturally derived plant-based serum that smooths the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles and visibly fights the signs of aging without synthetics or irritating effects. Gentle enough for the most sensitive skin types. How dare they? Boxycharm supports surface cell turnover with its retinoic effect. I'm not falling for it. I'm not falling for it because it's a $54 product, and I'm going to use it once and my face is going to break out and I'm going to be sad, and then I'm not going to be able to give it away. So I'm not falling for it. Even when it says the most sensitive of skins, I have to trust my own judgment. I want to, when they say that, I want to defer to their judgment. I bet you're right. I bet it does mean me. It's never meant me. but I do love a lot of the Herbivore products. Oh, where were we? Where were we at 113? And we've added 54, so 167. Did I do that right? I did that fast. I think I did it right. Yeah. Okay, reaching in last. We have a Cupid. You can call it Cupid if you want. I'm sticking with Cupid. Cupid Cheek Duo, 1 unit. Oh, it's a Natasha Denona Cheek Duo. Okay, if this was an option, this is not out of the realm of possibility of things I chose either. I do have one of these though, and I don't reach for it very often because they're both shiny, and everything can't be shiny on me. But this says cream blush and highlighter. Ooh. Oh, this is one of those decisions that has to be made in life. It is, here, let me use this. It is just a little bit dark for me. Just a little. So do I put my finger in it and then I can't pass it along? Oh, so many decisions. You know what? I'm putting my finger in it because I think that if it's too dark for me, it will be perfect for my daughter. So it says it is a cream blush. Oh, it says it is a cream blush, and it is, oh, I'm excited now. I went to Kara, I'm like, that's not very dark. So the cream blush is, let me see if I can build it a little bit. No, it is not very dark. I wonder if you can use these on your lips. There's almost no color to this. How would anyone, I mean, can I build it? It's gonna get super shiny. The color is gorgeous, but that's me dipping in, going 3 times to build up to that color. So nobody with any melanin, is it melanin? That's the right word, right? Melanin in their skin, this isn't gonna work for them. Let's try the highlighter. Oh, she's gorgeous. Man, I would like to know if this can be used as a lip and this can be used as an eye. I feel confident about the eye thing. Those, I mean, that's pretty. There's no getting around it. And this is a flat cream, and this is a creamy, I think, feeling powder. They say the cream blush is a glow cream base, and the highlighter is a glow universal pinkish beige. Okay. It just looks like a golden highlighter to me, but we can call it pinkish beige. I don't know. I'm gonna play with it and see if I can make it work in my life, but it is very intriguing. We need to add the price. Let's see. Oh man, where do we end up? 167? I think 167. Oh, let me tell you what this says. A perfect pairing of Natasha's iconic cheek formulas. The Cupid Cheek Duo features a lightweight, hydrating cream blush and a luminous powder highlighter in 2 shades that flatter all skin tones. Both formulas can be applied with a brush or with your fingertips, meaning it's all you need for an on-the-go glow. And it has a $42 value. So we were at $167, so that I think takes us to $209. So the value in my premium box this month was $209, and that is that. So for my $39.99, I got $209 in product, and I got the Natasha Denona blushes, the Mitchell and Peach body oil, the My Beauty brand X Me eyeliner, the Dr. Brandt, and this is an $82 eye cream. Just start poking stuff in there. The Indota or Indata hydrating lip balm. I feel like a little kid. You know when you hold a deck of cards and it's too much for you. And the Herbivore Bakuchiol Retinol Alternative. So $39.99. This is $209 worth of products. Do you think that's worth it? Let me know below what you think. This oil, if I like it, is quite amazing. And I do like body oils, not to mention the Dr. Brandt eye cream. Like I said, I have used 2 of the DNA ones to Gone, so this alone is more than twice what the box costs and could be totally worth it. Okay, thank you so much for coming by today, guys. I really appreciate you taking the time to be here. I hope you will consider subscribing if you are not already subscribed, and giving me a thumbs up if you liked the video. I hope I will see you again really soon, and have a great day out there, guys. Enjoy the weather. I mean, I hope there's nice weather where you are. It's today very warm and glorious here, so I'm gonna go enjoy it.